National capital. Well, Delhi police has registered an FIR in connection with the BMW hit and kill case. Remember, Finance Deputy Secretary was killed and his wife was critically injured in the crash that happened on Sunday. So, first FIR has been filed in the case. Remember, the senior official of the Finance Ministry died and 3 other people, including his wife, were injured after a BMW hit their motorcycle on the Ring Road near the Delhi Camp metro station. And on the spot, the police found a BMW car overturned on the road and a motorcycle near the metro pillar in Dhaula Kuan. And the deceased was identified as Navjot Singh. He is a Deputy Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs in the Ministry of Finance, and he was a resident of Harinagar. And the couple, after their motorcycle's collision with the BMW, they were taken to the hospital, which was about 20 kilometers from the site of the accident. So the first FIR has been filed in the case. Remember, this happened on Sunday late evening. The police received 3 PCR calls that there was an accident, and when they rushed to the spot, they found a BMW car lying sideways on the road and a motorcycle parked near the road. And eyewitnesses told then the police that the woman was a woman was driving the car when it hit the motorcycle. And Republic TV has also spoken to the son of the deceased, who has said that his parents were taken to a hospital which was about 20 kilometers away from the site of the accident. Akhil, my colleague, is now joining us for more details. Akhil, now we are witnessing now that a first FIR has been filed in the case. What updates can you get us?
Well, that's right. If you see, an FIR has already been filed in connection with the case. Earlier, what we have seen, that the accused who was driving the vehicle at a very rash speed was trying to basically conceal some evidence, and out of which what we have got to learn that initially when that incident took place, after that the victim was taken to approximately 19 kilometers away from the very hospital, from the very spot, and she was taken to approximately 19 kilometers away from the hospital. And at that point in time, it raises eyebrows that why the victim was taken at a very far hospital. And in this case, what we have got to learn from the police sources, that they have pressed 2 more charges against the accused, in which what we have seen that section 105, which basically is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and section 238A, which is a destruction of the evidence. Even if you see, the accused basically tried to destroy the evidence in this case. And after that, what we have seen that formally the Southwest District team has basically filed an FIR in connection with the case right now, and the investigation is still underway.
And Akhil, as you know, earlier Republic TV had spoken to the deceased son, and he had mentioned about the fact that this couple, you know, they were taken to the hospital, which was about 20 kilometers away from the site of the accident. Any updates on why did that happen, and what is that twist in the case, really?
Well, that's right. If you see, that's the major part of the investigation, which is being investigated by the Southwest District Police team. Because in this case, the major point which is coming right now, that the hospital where the victim was taken was approximately 19 kilometers away from the very spot. So why did the accused took the victim to that hospital only? The reason basically we are getting from the initial police sources is that the hospital was owned by someone who was in close connections with the accused. That's why they found it convenient to take the victim to that very hospital. But right now, the Delhi police team has been investigating the entire matter. In this case, what we have seen that the section 238 has already been pressed in right now. And if you see so far, what we have seen that the FIR which has been formally launched by the Southwest District Police team, the DCP of Southwest District, Mr. Amit Goyal, has confirmed this to us that the FIR has already been registered under section 105, section 125B, section 281, and section 238 of the BNS has been pressed in right now. So the investigation is underway. The further details will come out that what basically actually transpired at that point in time, and why there was a delay in taking the victim to the very hospital.
Right, Akhil, one more question before I let you go. What is the condition of the wife of the victim? And because she was also injured, and there were two other people also injured, so how's their condition?
So initially, if you see, after the incident, she was hospitalized in a new hospital, and after that, what we have seen that she was shifted to a hospital in Dwarka. So right now, her treatment is still going on. I spoke a few moments back to the victim's son, and he has confirmed this to us that there's a fracture in the femur bone, in the leg thigh bone, so which is being treated right now, and it's very likely that surgery will happen today itself. So on that front, she's still in ICU and recovering right now. But if you see, her husband has lost his life in this very incident.
All right, Akhil, thank you so much for bringing us all the updates on that big story. And viewers, Republic's TV had also earlier spoken to the victim's son. So fresh twists really emerged in the case as his son claims that the parents were admitted in a hospital of the accused. Let's listen in.
A shocking incident unfolded at the heart of Delhi, where a BMW car crushed Deputy Secretary of the Finance Ministry, Navjot Singh. To talk about the issue, I have with me his son, Navnur Singh. What happened? Can you please narrate what exactly happened during the incident?
So I don't know the specific details. So we still investigate हो रहा है. What I know is कि मैं घर पे था. I got a call around 2-ish. It was a family friend who told us that my mom and dad have been in an accident. Accident happened in Dhola Kua, and for some reason he was my mother and him both were unconscious, and they were taken to a hospital in GTB Nagar, in Mukherjee Nagar, called New Life, which is 20 kilometers away. That is about an hour of drive, and they were not even taken in an ambulance. The accused, according to me, was absconded. She was not there. Even her father-in-law said that he didn't know where she was, and even her husband was saying that she didn't know where he was. So after about 5 to 6 hours, I spotted the doctor in the doctor's office filing an MCLR report on the patient. The name was Gaganpreet. This is in context of the video that so then I asked the doctor that why are you filing a fake report, because you just told me because the Gaganpreet is not here, his wife is not here. I even asked multiple staffs and even the reception and even the police. The police then asked the hospital staff, and so this happened around 5 to 5:30. So the guy who lives across the hospital, they told me that the name of the owner is Gaganpreet.
So this is the same Gaganpreet who is the accused in the case, right?
Yeah.
दिल्ली के पॉश इलाकों में से एक दिल्ली कैंट इलाके में बीएमडब्ल्यू कार का कहर देखने को मिला, जहां बीएमडब्ल्यू कार ने बाइक सवार दंपति को टक्कर मार दी। मौके पर ही नवजोत की मौत हो गई। और ये गाड़ी आप देख रहे हैं, ये बीएमडब्ल्यू कार आगे से देखेंगे बताया जा रहा है कल दोपहर यानी कि 1:30 बजे के आसपास बीएमडब्ल्यू कार ने एक बाइक सवार को टक्कर मारी। बाइक पर नवजोत सिंह नाम के शख्स अपनी पत्नी के साथ सवार थे, जो कि बंगला साहब गुरुद्वारे से अपने घर हरिनगर की तरफ जा रहे थे। ये भी जानकारी मिल रही है कि मृतक नवजोत सिंह फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री में सीनियर अधिकारी है, लेकिन कल दोपहर को इसी बीएमडब्ल्यू कार ने टक्कर मारी। नवजोत सिंह की बाइक इस गाड़ी से टक्कर लगने के बाद डिवाइडर पर टकराती है और डिवाइडर के बाद पास में जो बस थी उससे जाकर टकराती है। और ये भी जानकारी मिल रही है कि इस गाड़ी को एक महिला चला रही थी। जो बीएमडब्ल्यू कार आप देख रहे हैं, इस गाड़ी को गगनप्रीत नाम की जो महिला है वो चला रही थी। आगे वाली सीट पे गगनप्रीत बैठी हुई थी और उसके बगल में गगनप्रीत के जो पति हैं वो बैठे हुए थे। हालांकि इस एक्सीडेंट के बाद गगनप्रीत और उनके पति बाइक सवार नवजोत सिंह को अस्पताल लेकर जाते हैं। और यही सही सवाल खड़े होना शुरू हो जाते हैं कि आखिरकार दिल्ली कैंट में ये एक्सीडेंट होता है, लेकिन यहाँ से 19 किलोमीटर दूर अस्पताल में ले जाया गया, आसपास के किसी अस्पताल में क्यों नहीं ले जाया गया, ये अभी जांच का विषय बना हुआ है। और यही कारण है कि पुलिस ने इस पूरे मामले में सबूतों को नष्ट करने और छुपाने की जो धारा है वो भी इस पूरे मामले में ऐड की है। और आप इस गाड़ी को देखेंगे, आगे से गाड़ी पूरे तरीके से डैमेज है, एयरबैग गाड़ी के अंदर आपको खुले नजर आ जाएंगे। और ये तस्वीर देखकर आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि गाड़ी ने बाइक को कितनी तेज हिट किया होगा। ये पूरी साइड आप देखिए, एक तरीके से टक्कर लगने के बाद जो राइट साइड है गाड़ी की वो पूरे तरीके से डैमेज है। पीछे का जो शीशा है वो यहाँ पर पूरा जो है वो टूटा हुआ है। तो जिस तरीके से ये पूरा वाकया हुआ वो तो सवालों के घेरे में है ही, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात कि 19 किलोमीटर दूर अस्पताल क्यों ले जाया गया, ये सवाल जो खड़े कर रहा है विक्टिम परिवार। ये भी जानकारी मिल रही है कि इस BMW गाड़ी को चलाने वाली जो महिला है वो मुखर्जी नगर इलाके में उसका मायका है, और जिस अस्पताल में ले जाया गया वो भी किसी रिश्तेदार का बताया जा रहा है। तो यही कारण है कि पुलिस ने इस पूरे मामले में सबूतों को नष्ट करने, सबूतों को छुपाने के जो सेक्शंस है वो भी ऐड किए हैं। हालांकि BMW चलाने वाली महिला और उसका पति भी अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया जा रहा है, लेकिन पीड़ित परिवार का साफ तौर पर कहना है कि इस पूरे मामले में कॉन्स्पिरेसी के चलते इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जानी चाहिए। और यही कारण है कि हत्या का प्रयास करना और तमाम सबूतों को नष्ट करने जैसे सेक्शंस ऐड करके इस पूरे मामले की जांच अब दिल्ली पुलिस करती नजर आ रही है।
And viewers, we have more breaking news coming in from Jharkhand, where Sadio Soren, a